Welcome to our Travel Laundry Showdown. Today we're comparing two innovative products designed to make laundry on the go easier. The Scrubba Wash Bag and the Yelltimer Portable Washing Machines. We'll explore their features, advantages, and drawbacks to help you decide which one suits your travel lifestyle best. When it comes to portability, the Scrubba Wash Bag takes the lead with its ultra-lightweight design of just 5.3 ounces, making it perfect for backpackers and travelers. In contrast, the Yelltimer Portable Washing Machine, while foldable, weighs around 2.291 kilograms, which may be cumbersome for some users. The Scrubba easily fits into any bag without adding significant weight, whereas the Yelltimer requires more consideration when packing. Next, let's discuss washing capacity. The Scrubba Wash Bag is designed for small to medium loads, making it suitable for quick washes of essentials. However, it may struggle with heavily soiled items due to its manual operation. On the other hand, the Yelltimer Portable Washing Machine boasts a 16-liter capacity, allowing for larger loads and the convenience of a spin cycle for faster drying. This makes it a better choice for families or those needing to wash multiple items at once. Finally, let's look at the power source. The Scrubba Wash Bag operates manually, which means you can wash clothes anywhere without needing electricity. This is a huge advantage for outdoor enthusiasts. Conversely, the Yelltimer Portable Washing Machine requires a power source, making it less versatile in remote locations, but offering the convenience of electric washing with a spin cycle. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize portability or ease of use. In conclusion, both the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Yelltimer Portable Washing Machine have their unique strengths. If you need a lightweight, portable solution for quick washes, the Scrubba is your best bet. However, if you prefer the convenience of electric washing and larger capacity, the Yelltimer is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.